Selling on Amazon completely changed my life. Since January 1st, 2019, when I launched my very first product, I've generated over 7 figures in sales on Amazon, and I truly believe that this opportunity is available to anybody willing to work for it. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly why you should start selling on Amazon so you can achieve similar success. The first reason you should start selling on Amazon is it is literally the largest e-commerce platform in the world. With over 310 active users shopping on their platform, if you were gonna sell a product online, wouldn't it make sense to be where the most customers were? I remember selling 3 to 5 units a day, week 1, on the very first product I launched on Amazon with zero ad spend. 100% unpaid organic traffic. Now, what other e-commerce platform can do that for a new seller? Even on the show Shark Tank, the investors are always asking why companies aren't on Amazon if they're selling products online. They know that it's the largest marketplace out there, and you don't have to choose. Selling on Amazon doesn't stop you from selling on other platforms, but why miss out on the biggest one? I mean, if a kid who was broke at the time and knew nothing about e-commerce, aka me, managed to do $10,000 in sales his first month selling on Amazon, that should speak to how fruitful the platform is. Reason 2 is you can run your Amazon business from anywhere in the world without needing to be at one physical location to manage it. The business model that I do, which is Amazon FBA private label, allows me to ship my products directly from my manufacturer to Amazon's fulfillment centers where they're going to store all my inventory, and every time I get an order, Amazon is going to pick, pack, and ship that order directly to the customer. I don't need a warehouse, I don't need employees, and I don't need to spend all of my time shipping out orders all day because Amazon is doing all that work for me. Now, I still have to manage the back end of the business, but I can do this from anywhere in the world, and the freedom that this allows me is insane. It's why I'm able to travel to Asia or Europe for over a month while my business kept running and growing. Although selling on Amazon isn't fully passive income, it's more passive than most businesses. As long as I have my laptop and some Wi-Fi connection, I can scale my business from anywhere. The third reason is you have complete and total time freedom. You set your hours, you're your own boss, and no sitting in the daily commute traffic. You actually have time to do the things that you love, whether that be traveling, spending time with family, or just living life. Now, I'm not saying that there's no work required to start and grow an Amazon business, but a lot of the work to get started is work done up front. Creating your Amazon account, doing product research, developing the product, and establishing rank to start getting sales. But once you establish your product sales and it's ranking well, it's then things like inventory management or optimizing your ads, and the workload becomes a lot more manageable. Nowadays, managing over 50 products, including variations on Amazon, I work anywhere from 4 to 6 hours a week, allowing me much more time to actually live life, which I believe is the true purpose of our time on Earth. If it weren't for God's plan and taking a chance on myself to start my Amazon business, I wouldn't be in the blessed position that I'm in today. So if you've ever been interested in e-commerce or selling products on Amazon, the question is it time for you to start? If the answer to that question was yes, I highly recommend checking out my Amazon FBA private label mentorship program in the description of this video, where I go over my exact tips and strategies how I achieved over 7 figures selling products on Amazon. But on that note, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And as always, have a blessed day, ladies and gentlemen.